Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Civil Engineering Forum. Today we are going to talk about the best wood coating, or rather we would say best wood polish available in the market. Name of this product is Asian Paints WoodTech Melamine Gold Clear. But before starting with our product, we would look at what is melamine polish and why is it used at first. These are the polish which can easily be applied on wood items that has stain resistance and water resistance property. This also gives elegant look, excellent durable finish and long lasting protection to various wooden articles. So basically this is a clear transparent coating for wood which provides us with an excellent finish, protects our wood surface. Mistakenly if we spill something, then this wooden surface can be easily be washed and all the stain marks and dust will be removed very easily. In this way this coating can even protect our wood from water, which makes it more durable. Next, I would like to clarify that this melamine wood coating should only be used in our home interior, as no company claims to use it in exterior. So if at all your painter or contractor whosoever suggests you to use in interior, don't go for it. Because using this in exterior might fade the wooden surface colors and the coating might become yellowish. Now we will move towards the description of our product, that is WoodTech Melamine Gold Clear. Asian Paints WoodTech Melamine Gold Clear is a solvent based clear coating which is transparent and offers excellent smooth finish with good hardness. So this coating is solvent based, that is thinner is mixed with this chemical before application, and step by step the entire application process we are going to see at last. Then this polish is crystal clear like water, due to which we get a smooth sheen finish. It also provides us with a very hard film coating which will protect our surface from any scratches and daily wear and tear. In this way, the wood color applied, or we would say wood staining process done by us, or maybe any texture is applied, then this gets a tough protective layer of our coating. Next we'll talk about the product benefits of using this coating. So here the first point is non-yellowing. This product is specially formulated to resist yellowing of the film over years. Then next is scratch, stain and heat resistant. So if this polish is applied only in the interior, it is very durable as it is scratch proof. It will not even catch dirt that easily. It is washable as we can wash it, and thus it becomes the stain resistant also, and again it is meant to take heat also, so it is heat resistant. Next is good gloss retention. It has good gloss retention and keeps your furniture looking shiny for years, and this would provide us with a rich premium look. And last point here is hard film. The hard film of the WoodTech Melamine Gold Clear protects your interior furniture effectively against daily wear and tear. Next, one by one we'll talk about other product features. So here the first point we'll talk about the durability, that is life of the product. So after application on the wooden surface, this polish or this coating would last for at least 8 years. Then next is we'll talk about the colors. So here we are getting a crystal clear transparent coating which will enhance the look of the wood staining or wood texture applied below this, that is the wood color what we have selected on the wooden surface. Next we'll talk about the drying time. So this paint will give us a touch dry surface after about 20 minutes. Then we are going to talk about the finishes available. So here as per the product name suggests, we are having two different types of finish available, that is matte and gloss. Asian Paints WoodTech Melamine Gold Clear Matte and Asian Paints WoodTech Melamine Gold Clear Gloss. Both of these things are available in the market. So depending on your choice, or rather we would say your desired look, you need to select any one out of this. Then regarding available packings in the market. So this coating is available in 1 liter, 4 liter and 20 liter in the market. Then we'll talk about the coverage. So 1 liter of this solution will provide you 90 square feet coverage for one coat. So based on this you can take out the quantity of how many liter you need to get it from the market. Next thing remains cost. So this is available worth rupees 300 per liter. So based on coverage and cost you can take out your estimate for the application of the coating. As I said, we are going to discuss now the application process of WoodTech Melamine Gold Clear, that too stepwise. So here our step 1 is WoodTech Melamine Gold Clear Sealer first coat. So we need to apply the first coat of WoodTech Melamine Gold Clear Sealer by using a spray or a brush. But how we need to apply this I have explained over here. So at first we need to mix base with the hardener, because here itself the main chemical is not only responsible, along with it hardener plays the same role, as it makes our coating more durable and allows it to set fast. So talking about the ratio of the mixture, we need to take 90% of our base, that is our main solution WoodTech Melamine Gold Clear Sealer, and mix it with the 10% of the hardener, bottle of which is also available in the box. Next is use Woodtech melamine thinner by 30% dilution. So after getting the solution, we need to mix it with the thinner. Because it is solvent based, we need a thinner which is also available in the market. We need to purchase that and mix it, that is we need to dilute it by 30%. We need to add thinner 30% in our 100% solution, that is base to hardener ratio. So now we are having three different solutions: base, the hardener and the thinner. Now our solution is ready for the application of the coating. We can apply it by spray or brush. Now after application, recoat period, that is recoat time of the next coat will be, if you have sprayed then it will be 5 hours, but if you have brushed then it will be somewhat more, that is you will have to wait for about 8 hours before applying of the second coat or even sanding of the surface. Here is the second step, sanding process. Sand the surface with sandpaper 320 or 400 and wipe clean. That means after application of the Woodtech melamine gold clear sealer and waiting for the dry time, that is about 5 or 8 hours, we need to sand the entire surface and make it rough again by using this 320 or 400 number of sandpaper. This number 320 and 400 represents that more the number, the smaller will be the grain size on the sandpaper. So after making the surface rough, our third step is Woodtech PU interior sealer second coat. That is we need to apply second coat of our second solution that is available in the box, that is Woodtech PU interior sealer. Again here also we will have to mix it with the hardener, that is base to hardener ratio will be 90:10. Then again we will have to dilute the solution up to 30%. That is the obtained solution, we need to dilute up to 30%. Then after obtaining this final solution, we need to apply it by spray or brush, and again here the recoat period will be, for spraying it is 5 hours and for brushing it is 8 hours depending on the type of application. So now we have applied the second coat also. Then the fourth step here is again sanding the surface by sandpaper 320 and 400, and then we need to clean the surface. Then step number 5 is Woodtech PU interior matte or glossy first coat. That is based on your selection, that is matte or glossy what you have selected, you will get a final solution in your box which will be your final coat. That is again you will have to mix base to hardener 90:10, then again you will have to mix 30% thinner to dilute it, and then you will have to apply it by using spray or brush. Now again here the recoat period for spraying would be 5 hours and brushing would be 8 hours. Now this is the third coat actually and first coat of PU interior matte or glossy chemical. Now again in step 6 we need to sand the surface by using our preferred sandpaper, that is 320 or 400, and again clean that. Then talking about step number 7, we are applying again the second coat of Woodtech PU interior matte or glossy. Again here also the base to hardener ratio would be 90:10. Then we need to again dilute it by 30% thinner, apply it by spray or brush, and again the recoat period would be about 5 to 8 hours. But here recoat period is not, but here recoating again here is not necessary. If you wish you can apply one more coat based on your thickness of the film. So friends, this is all for today. I hope this video was useful for you. If this is so, just click on the like button and do subscribe my channel Civil Engineering Forum. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.